When it comes to kitchen tools, versatility, power, and ease of use are paramount. Whether you're whipping up a quick smoothie in the morning, preparing a gourmet sauce for dinner, or pureeing baby food, having a reliable hand blender can make all the difference. This MegaWise Pro Titanium Reinforced 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is one such tool that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. In this comprehensive review, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and benefits of the MegaWise Hand Blender, providing you with all the information you need to decide if this is the right kitchen companion for you. In today's fast-paced world, having a multifunctional kitchen appliance that can handle a variety of tasks is essential. The MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is designed to do just that. With a powerful 1000 watts copper motor, titanium reinforced blades, and a host of useful attachments, this blender is engineered to make your food preparation tasks faster, easier, and more efficient. But is it really as good as it sounds? Let's find out. First thing you'll notice about the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is its sturdy construction. The blender is designed with a full copper motor, which not only enhances its durability, but also ensures optimal performance. Copper motors are known for their efficiency and longevity, making this blender a reliable choice for daily use. The ergonomic design of the handle is another standout feature. It provides a comfortable, non-slip grip, which is especially important during prolonged use. Whether you're blending a large pot of soup or whipping cream, the handle allows for precise control without causing strain on your hand or wrist. The attachments are easy to connect and disconnect, thanks to the simple click-and-lock mechanism. This feature ensures that switching between tasks, such as blending, whisking, or frothing, is seamless and hassle-free. Additionally, all attachments are dishwasher-safe, making cleanup a breeze. When it comes to performance, the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender truly shines. The 1000 watts DC motor delivers powerful and consistent blending, capable of handling even the toughest ingredients. Whether you're blending frozen fruits for a smoothie, pureeing cooked vegetables for a soup, or crushing ice, this blender gets the job done quickly and efficiently. One of the key features of this blender is its titanium reinforced crossblades. These blades are 80% sharper and more durable than standard blades, ensuring that they can easily cut through a variety of ingredients. The titanium reinforcement not only enhances the blade's sharpness, but also extends their lifespan, so you won't have to worry about them dulling over time. The blender offers 12 speed settings, plus a TurboBoost mode. This allows you to tailor the blending speed to your specific task, providing greater control over the consistency of your blends. The lower speeds are perfect for delicate tasks like whipping cream or mixing batters, while the higher speeds and TurboBoost mode are ideal for tougher jobs like crushing ice or pureeing dense vegetables. The MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is not just a blender. It's a versatile 3-in-1 appliance that can handle a variety of kitchen tasks. Included with the blender are a whisk attachment, a milk frother, and the standard blending arm. The blending arm is perfect for making smoothies, soups, sauces, and more. Its powerful motor and sharp blades ensure smooth, consistent results every time. Whisk attachment. The whisk attachment is ideal for whipping cream, beating eggs, or mixing batters. It offers the perfect speed and power for light and airy results. Milk frother. The milk frother attachment is great for creating frothy milk for lattes, cappuccinos, or even hot chocolate. It's a quick and easy way to elevate your homemade coffee drinks. This level of versatility makes the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender a valuable tool in any kitchen. Whether you're an experienced home chef or just starting out, this blender can help you tackle a wide range of culinary tasks with ease. One of the most significant advantages of the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is its user-friendly design. The ergonomic handle allows for comfortable one-handed operation, making it easy to maneuver the blender as you work. The 12-speed settings are easily adjustable with a dial, and the TurboBoost button is conveniently located for quick access. Cleanup is also a breeze with this blender. The attachments are all detachable and dishwasher-safe, which means you can spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your culinary creations. The The BPA-free materials ensure that your food remains safe and free from harmful chemicals, giving you peace of mind with every use. The MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is backed by the company's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. MegaWise designs and manufactures its products using the Lean methodology, a system adopted by well-known brands like Toyota and GE. This ensures that every product is made with the highest standards of quality and efficiency. In addition to the product's quality, MegaWise offers excellent customer support. The company provides 24/7 live chat support, ensuring that any questions or concerns you have are addressed promptly. They also offer a money-back guarantee, so you can purchase with confidence, knowing that your investment is protected. If you're still on the fence about whether the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is the right choice for you, consider these key benefits. Ultimate power and precision. With a powerful 1000 watts motor and 80% sharper titanium reinforced blades, this blender is designed to handle even the toughest tasks with ease. Versatility at your fingertips. The 3-in-1 functionality allows you to blend, whisk, and froth with a single appliance, saving you time and space in the kitchen. User-friendly design. The ergonomic handle and intuitive controls make this blender easy to use, even for beginners. Plus, the easy-to-clean attachments mean less time spent on cleanup. Quality you can trust. MegaWise's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction ensures that you're getting a reliable product that will stand the test of time. By choosing the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender, you're not just investing in a kitchen appliance, you're investing in a tool that will make your cooking experience more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or an elaborate dinner, this blender is designed to help you achieve the perfect results every time. In conclusion, the MegaWise Pro Titanium Reinforced 3-in-1 Immersion Hand Blender is an exceptional kitchen tool that offers power, precision, and versatility in one compact package. Whether you're blending smoothies, whisking cream, or frothing milk, this blender delivers consistent, high-quality results every time. A combination of a powerful 1000 watts motor, titanium reinforced blades, and multiple speed settings ensures that this blender can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. The ergonomic design and user-friendly features make it accessible for both novice and experienced cooks alike. If you're looking for a reliable, multifunctional hand blender that will elevate your cooking game, the MegaWise Pro Immersion Hand Blender is an excellent choice. With its durable construction, easy-to-use design, and versatile attachments, it's a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.